Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Swift iOS. I am here to share some knowledge about Swift. This is my first video. I hope you all will like my video and share feedback. So let's start. In this series, we will learn from basics of Swift to advanced iOS development. So we will jump. What is Swift? Swift is a modern and powerful programming language. It is developed by Apple for iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS development. It is an entirely new language created especially to develop software for Apple's operating system like as I mentioned earlier iOS, macOS, watchOS, tvOS, and iOS. Like and Swift holds a leading position in iOS development. Swift was introduced in 2014 by Apple as a replacement for Objective-C, the previous primary language for Apple platform. It's Objective-C. Now, Swift implements all the features of other modern languages like type interference, optional generics, and high order functions. Swift is designed to provide a more effective and enjoyable coding experience with focus on safety, performance, and expensiveness. Now, let's see. Here are some key aspects and features of Swift. Important features of Swift like first point is syntax. Swift features a clean and concise syntax that is easy to read and write. It is influenced by other programming languages like Objective-C, Python, C Sharp, Ruby, and others. Second, safety. Swift emphasizes type safety, which means the other programming language helps catch and prevent common programming errors. Checking code before it is used in production is very important. Apple Swift removes any unsafe code before it is used in production. Next, readability. Swift has a simple syntax which is easier to read and write. It is easier for all the developers to write Swift code since it is more similar to common English, or we can say plain English, enabling them to spend less time looking for programmatical code. Multiple platform support. Swift is completely compatible with iOS, macOS, tvOS, watchOS, Linux, and other programming platforms. This means we are able to develop software that is compatible with all the operating system. Open source. In 2015, Apple open sourced Swift, making it accessible to a broader community of developers. For Swift to become a defining programming language, the technology had to be open to all. Swift support all Apple's platform and making programming easier, faster, and safer. Compatible with Objective-C. Swift has completely compatible with Objective-C. Swift enable programmers to implement, or we can say import, other framework from Objective-C by using Swift syntax. This is one theoretical video. In this, we saw what is Swift and what are the features, aspects, and in the next session, we will see what is Xcode and Playground. Thank you for listening. I hope you all guys will like my channel videos and please give me a feedback. It's positive or negative, maybe. I will improve my video and content. I hope you will support me. Thank you.